This is the part 2 of the CBT module on the Quick Schools portal. So the admin already set the exam, which is midterm test, and this exam is set to hold on the 13th of February. Today is 11th of February, so the exam is not available and it is not active. So with this, the student cannot access this exam. The exam is set for standard SS2. So we're going to log in as a student in SS2 to access CBT. But first of all, we need to make this exam active. So let's take it that the exam is holding today. So we change it to today so that the exam can be active. So we say it's active. Save it. When you come to this place, you will see that available now is active, then active is also green. So with this, the student can access the CBT. So we're going to log out as the admin and log in as a student. I am logging in as a student, an active student. An active student can take the CBT exam. So once I log in as a student, go to the CBT, my CBT exams. Once you then click the CBT exam, you see the CBT exam page. You can read the instruction carefully before entering the exam hall. You will only see exam set for SS2. The current class of this student is SS2, and there are some instruction there. So let's go straight to open exam dashboard. So the student goes, open the exam dashboard, and you can see that the exam we set from the admin is already available. See, there are more exams, the student can see them also. So this exam is the midterm test, SS2, second term, 2025-2026. The duration is 1 minute. The question is 4. The pass mark is 50%. It's for second term, and it is holding today. And the closing is closing today by 2 p.m. So that means the student can take this exam now or anytime before 2 p.m. So the student goes, click on start exam. This is the exam page. The timer begins to count down. So if the student doesn't do anything at this point, once the time is up, the student is going to be logged out of the exam portal. So the first question is identify the part of speech and all that. So let's assume the student just type our. So now choose the option that best complete the sentence. Let's choose the correct answer. Give one of the synonyms of the word diligent. Let's say serious. Question 4, choose the word that has a different stress pattern. So record and all that. So let's just pick anything here. So we've answered this question. Let's assume that the student finished the exam, it will submit. But even if the student does not finish, look at the timer up there. So it's going to submit. You see now, it has submitted for the student. So that is the way the CBT is taken by the student. So failed, the score is 25%. That's what the student has scored. That means the student got only one answer correct. So let's go back to the dashboard. The student is already logged out from the portal. So the student will need to log into the portal again, and then let us try to access the CBT again for this student. The student can still see the available exam, and once you say start the exam, you can see that you have already completed this exam. So the student cannot take the exam 2 times. Once it is taken, it is already taken. So this is how the student access the CBT exams.